Welcome to the presentation on ethics in computer science. In this chapter, we will explore the ethical challenges and considerations in the field of computer science. Let's dive in. Ethical challenges in computer science. Computer science is not immune to ethical challenges. As technology advances, new ethical concerns arise. One such challenge is privacy. The collection, storage, and use of personal data raise questions about user privacy and data protection. Additionally, algorithmic bias in machine learning algorithms can perpetuate biases and discrimination present in the training data, leading to unfair outcomes. Cybersecurity is another crucial area where ethical considerations play a significant role. As cyber threats become more sophisticated, ensuring the security of sensitive information and critical systems becomes an ethical imperative. Lastly, the social implications of technology, such as its impact on employment, inequality, and social interactions, require careful ethical considerations. Professional responsibility and code of ethics. Computer science professionals have a responsibility to uphold ethical standards and promote the well-being of society. Professional organizations provide guidelines and codes of conduct to guide ethical behavior in the field. Adhering to legal and ethical standards is essential, ensuring that professionals comply with laws and regulations while considering the ethical implications of their work. Transparency and accountability are also key principles. Professionals should be transparent about their practices, disclose any conflicts of interest, and be accountable for the consequences of their work. Ethical decision-making frameworks. Ethical decision-making frameworks offer a systematic approach to address complex ethical dilemmas in computer science. The process begins by identifying the problem and clearly defining the ethical issue at hand, followed by gathering relevant information and considering different perspectives involved. Evaluating options is the next step, exploring various solutions and assessing their ethical implications and potential consequences. Finally, a decision is made, selecting the course of action that aligns with ethical principles and best serves the interests of all stakeholders. Reflection and continuous learning from experiences play a crucial role in refining ethical practices. Social and environmental impacts of computing. The widespread use of technology has significant social and environmental impacts that require ethical considerations. Socially, technology influences employment patterns, access to information, social interactions, and societal values. Environmental impact is another area of concern. The production, usage, and disposal of technology contribute to carbon emissions, electronic waste, and resource depletion. Ethical considerations in computer science involve minimizing negative social impacts, promoting accessibility, considering environmental sustainability, and ensuring an equitable distribution of benefits. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of ethics in computer science. If you found this presentation valuable, please show your appreciation by liking and sharing it. Also, consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful content on ethics in computer science. Your support is greatly appreciated.